guys, morning, day 3, Sydney, Australia. About 8:32 a.m. Today's going to be my first day. I'm training to school alone because we have a student trip to Bondi Beach. It's going to be rad. Hopefully I don't get lost.
I got a future song singing for my grandma. You sing it too, but your grandma ain't my grandma. Mine's handmade, pan fried, sun dried, south side, and beat the devil by a landslide. Praying with her hands tied. President of my fan club, Santa. Something told me I should bring my
money. Move it slowly.
Here in Australia, they don't use money. They use these Opal cards. We use this for the bus, train, ferries, anything.
My body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for this whole week. I've been waiting for you, you're my Sunday.
Come on in this house. It's gonna rain, rain down time. It's gonna rain. You better come on in this house. It's gonna rain, rain down time. It's gonna rain.
I come to church for the candy, your peppermints is the truth.
So good, just got off the train and I'm transferring to the bus that takes me straight to Hillsong College, so almost there.
I love with the budget, I like my hugs with a scent. You smell like light gas while the electricity rent. You sound like why the gospel choir got so tired. Singing this praise on a daily basis, so I gotta try it. You my dream catcher, dream team captain. Matter of fact, I ain't seen you in a minute. Let me take my butt to church.
You better come on in this house.
Come on in this house.
It's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain.
Rain down time.
Rain down.
It's gonna rain. You better come on in this house.
Come on in this house.
It's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain.
Rain down time.
Rain down.
It's gonna rain. You gotta move it slowly. Taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday. Can you gotta move slow? Taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for this whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday.
Hello?
Don't record me missing the shot.
Oh, I'll make you guys look good, don't worry. Oh, I'll cut that out.
There's a ledge there. Yesterday was raining so bad.
Guys, look, I have friends now.
Yay, bro.
Salvation sounds a new beginning. As distant hearts begin believing, redemption's bid is unrelenting. Your love goes on. Your love goes on. When the world gives way, carry us with your endless grace. Carry us You